Hey guys, this is Jonathan Meyer from Rokeley.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install pip on your local computer. So, let's get started by heading over to the pip website. From here, we'll head to installation, and then we'll do this using the get pip installer script. So we just click that link, and this is a gigantic text file. As you can see, the HTTP request is not completed, and we're actually still downloading the text file just into our browser. So instead of copying this into our clipboard, we are just going to use this URL and go through the command line and download this file directly into our file system. So head over to terminal. If you've never used the command line before, this is a great way to get started. So as you can see, I am currently in my home directory, and for this sort of thing, I like to just make a temporary directory. So I'm going to do make dir temp, and then I'll cd into that directory. So you can see it's empty. And so now we're going to use a utility called curl to download the text file, and then we're going to redirect that that output into our own file to create the script that will run. So we curl and just paste the URL in there, and then we'll do a redirect into get pip.py. Shouldn't take too long. All right, there we go. As you can see, we now have get pip.py, and now if you're on any kind of Unix distribution in terms of an operating system, you will have some kind of Python package already installed, some kind of Python distribution. So the native distribution on this computer is Python 2.7.10. I'm just gonna finish this tutorial using the native distribution. I would recommend you do that as well. But if you want to use a different one, you can install different versions of Python plenty of different ways. You can Google around for that. So now we're going to run this script using Python get pip.py. Enter. All right, I already have pip installed, so that's correct. If it does actually install as it should on your computer, you'll see significantly more output. Yeah, so then once the installer is done, you can test to see if you actually have it installed and on your path by just saying pip, I think it's pip help. All right, and there we go. So you can install packages using pip install, package name. Say I wanted to install the natural language toolkit, you could do pip install NLTK. And that'll all run. All right, so that won't work. The way that the permissions are set up on my computer, I actually need to use a sudo. So it'll be sudo pip install NLTK. Then enter my password. All right, there we go. So I just installed NLTK. Generally speaking, we don't install packages to our top level Python distribution. Really the best practice for this sort of thing and for Python development in general is by using virtual environments. And so you'll actually create a virtual environment and you'll install all of your packages just to that environment rather than installing them globally on your whole computer, which is what I've just done right now. But yeah, so that's how you install pip. Hope this was helpful, and cheers, guys.